Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Go! So it's nice that have some playground here. My son can play.
We are here in the children's playground just around the HDB block because we are waiting for our viewing time.
So he will do the slide. Go, go, go! Few steps. Okay, then Mama will check you here. Just shoot! He don't like that I shoot him. So he wants privacy. Over there also is the fitness area. So Archie can do exercise here because he like to do monkey bar. Yeah, he like to hang himself. I can also do some exercise here while Adeline is crawling like this. So it's very nice place. And then over there is the sports area where they can like play basketball and volleyball. But I will not go there because Adeline is sleeping. So I will just come back. Okay, another fitness there and then some playground. Yeah, actually it's a nice place. So we're just waiting for the viewing time because we came early. Okay. Archie is eating durian. So let's see how the durian tastes like. Luchik is busy playing. So I saw they have two playground. They also have playground over there. They have playground over there also. How's your durian?
Try, nice.
Is it nice? Creamy or what?
Yes.
Can I try one?
No,
but I worry later we are smelly when we do viewing.
Amazing.
We are looking for permanent place to stay in Singapore. We still don't have house. That's why in our previous vlogs we are staying in different hotels.
So we just moved to a better hotel here in Orchard. And I want to show you how it looks like. By the way, we check in around 3 p.m. but we came late already because we view some houses, right?
Yeah, we have viewing today.
We have viewing today for our permanent house. So it's very tiring day. And now I want to show you our new place. So over here is the main door. And then on the left side is the wardrobe. Okay, let's show. They have some extra pillows. And then they also provide some iron board. And then some iron over here.
Yeah.
So yeah. Like this. And then on my right side, okay, on my right side is the toilet and bath. So we have a small bathtub here, and then over there is the shower. Yeah, so this is the sink, toilet bowl, no bidet, and then have hair dryer. So they also provide some body wash and then shampoo. Also, let's see what they give. Some dental kit and then some soap. But we use our own. We have our own toothpaste like this. Okay, so let's go over here. We have some mini fridge, which is better because we can store our juice like this or some fruits. I haven't washed the fruits. This one Archie asked me to wash. So this is all our stuff. We also have some bread like this. And then for this is Luchik's milk. And then I want to show you the system. So this is the hot and cold. So basically this will be the water dispenser. Adeline. So I still need to like check how this work or here. I don't know. Maybe yeah, I need to check how this work. Oh, they already have some instruction. So later I will ask Archie to help me figure this out. And then over here is our mini pantry. So basically this is our, they provide this cup. And then what else they provide? Oh, this is our some coffees. This is from the previous hotel. So they only provide this type of coffee, 2 pieces. Some tea, black tea, but Archie don't drink black tea. We have our own tea. I still need to take out from our luggage. They also provide some creamer and then sugar, and then the rest is our stock. So my little girl is already busy playing over here. And then this is the bed. So it's a, I think it's a queen size bed. So I know already that we can fit here. Yeah, and then over here is the TV, some chair. Also this one is like chair. What is nice is we have window, which is better. So the window, you're not allowed to open this, but at least we have some view. Maybe morning time I will show you, because I don't know if you can appreciate the view there. Maybe just morning I will show. Anyways, we can open because Archie likes some window. It keeps us alive, because in those previous one, like all walls, so very depressing. At least if window, you can see the weather also. Yeah, and then our Luchik will not feel bored. So by the way, we stay in the 10th floor. This comes with no breakfast. If you want to avail breakfast, it is $13 pa.
Huh?
$13 is the breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast $13. Yeah.
13 or 30. So 1-3, it's a buffet. So yeah, we will stay here for 1 week. Bye bye. So this is the swimming pool. It's on rooftop. This is for kids. Okay, so let's see. They have some toilet, washing area, some sand deck, and this is the view. Is the playground. I need to check the playground. So this is the playground. Yeah, but no swing because Luchik likes swing, so we will not stay here. We will not go. So we will not stay here for kids to play because it's only like this. Okay, so by the way, they also have some self-service washing machine, laundry, so you can do your laundry here and drying. Yeah, they put the steps, and I think it's about like maybe $6. Yeah. So for wash is $6. Yeah, and then for drying, this is for drying. So yeah, nice. So we can do our laundry if we already don't have some clothes. At least I can wash here in the hotel. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Ball. You see, she saw some ball. She said it's a ball. Okay, so we will go out again and eat. This is Luchik. He's hungry. Hungry. Papa. How about baby? Yeah, baby. Up. Very good. Clapping hands. How about flying kiss? Okay. How about flying kiss? No, like this. Wow, flying kiss. How about if we will already go? But no. How about Adeline? Wait. Oh, she want to take. What is that? What is that? This one. Huh? What is this? Huh? Dog. You love your dog? Dog. Keep quiet. How if mama say keep quiet? No. Papa. more time, one more time. Up, up, up. Up, up. Wow, very good. Up, 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 up. Wow, very good. She has some... Wait, I want to show. Let's show. She have some scratches here because she's crawling, and then it's a rough surface. That's why she got some scratches. Yeah, abrasions. Uy, careful. Someone poop. Who poop? I can smell your poop. Let's clean your poop. Oh no, she didn't poop. It means she just fart. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Say hi to mama. Hi. Say hi to mama. Adeline. Adeline, hi. Hello. Hi, baby. Hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What? Flying kiss. Up, 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 up. Wow, very good. Very good girl. Dancing, 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 dancing. Wow, 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 dancing. Up, 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 up. Wow, very good.
We bring the kids to the playground so they can enjoy playing and interacting with other kids. Luchik loves playing in the trampoline. He keeps on jumping and jumping. And also, he likes to do a slide. How many times he did slide here? This is his favorite spot. Meanwhile, Adeline loves exploring new toys. She's very curious with these toys and trying to do pretend play.
You see, like showing.
The entrance fee for age 2 years and below is 15.9 SGD, and for 2 years up to 14 years old is 28.9 SGD. For one kid ticket purchase, one adult free, and kids can play up to 3 hours. Both kids seems to be very happy and enjoyed playing around. We're here in the mall to grab some snacks. Archie will buy acai bowls, while we bought some healthy breads for the kids.
Filipina, oh, and then Bali Mall item on.
This is Luchigar's favorite. This is cranberry thin one. So we like this. Also Adeline, and then we bought some acai.